Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a very common myth which is present among the upcoming poets as well as the writers. They think that each and every poem has to be rhyming. They feel that it is necessary for a poem to be rhyming. So today I'm going to talk about this myth, and I'm going to break this myth. And to be straightforward, no, it is not at all necessary for a poetry to be rhyming. It's not necessary that each and every poetry has to be rhyming, or if it's rhyming then it's poetry. It's nothing like that. In fact, there are many magazines and journals which even mentions that they're not going to accept any forced rhymes. What is exactly a forced rhyme? So it's like when you are trying to forcefully make a poetry rhyming, it's not coming out naturally. It's just that you are taking every single word which is available, which is rhyming, and you just make a poem out of it. So that is called forced rhyming. So there are many magazines and journals which strictly says that they won't be accepting any forced rhymes. So it's very important to keep in mind that when you're writing a poetry, it's not at all necessary that you have to forcefully make it rhyming. You can write in free verse, you can just write normally without any rhyming. After all, that's absolutely okay. In fact, I would be making a video on the different forms of poetry which are available. One I already told is rhyming, and another one is free verse. Yes. So what I do is when I used to write, I also had this myth that poetry means it has to be rhythmical, that rhythm should be maintained, matching words and all. So no, but then slowly as I continued writing, and I researched a bit in the internet, I found that no, it's not at all like that. And when I read the poetries of some famous poets, I realized that as long as you're able to connect with the readers, as long as you're able to express your thoughts properly, I think it's absolutely have the work done. I mean, poetry is all about expressing yourself. It's like connecting with your readers, with your people. So I think as long as that is there, you are already doing the right thing. And one more thing I want to say is it may happen that your readers are not able to comprehend your poetry completely. It may happen that some are able to get half of it, the others are getting full, and someone is not getting anything out of it. So that might happen. But as long as the readers can connect with it, the readers can take something out of it, or they can feel good about it, or if it's a sad poem, they can empathize with it. So I think as long as the connection is there, I think everything is all cool. So that's all that was needed to break this myth among the upcoming writers, that poetry means it has to be rhythmical or it has to be rhyming. No, not at all. Write freely, write naturally. Even if you want to make your poetry rhyming, just make sure it's coming naturally. It's not like you're forcing your poetry to be rhyming. So if you want to write rhythmical poetry, you want to make it rhyming, then make sure it's coming naturally. Otherwise, just write in any forms you want to. So that's all. Hope you liked this video. If it was useful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.